Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with JBM. To start off today's dish, I'm going to show you how to make a fancy French onion beef tenderloin with rosemary fingerlings, lemony asparagus. I also wanted to give you guys a quick note that because we're getting closer to the time that our baby is due, we're only going to be uploading about 2 to 3 times a week so that we can spend the rest of the time getting our home and our family prepared. But enough of that, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. You're going to want to start by adjusting your oven rack to the middle position and preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Wash and dry all your produce. Have the potatoes lengthwise, strip the rosemary leaves from the stems. Then you're going to finely chop those leaves until you have about half a teaspoon. Halve, peel, and thinly slice your onion. Ellie wanted to show you guys here all of the ingredients that she's using for her meal. Next, you're going to quarter your lemon. Then trim and discard any woody bottom ends from your asparagus. Toss the potatoes on one side of a baking sheet with a drizzle of olive oil, chopped rosemary, salt, and pepper. Roast on the middle rack for 14 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a drizzle of oil in a medium, preferably non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add the onion and half a teaspoon of thyme. Cook, stirring occasionally until browned and softened about 5 to 8 minutes. Then you're going to stir in the stock concentrate, half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Cook until thickened and saucy about 2 to 3 minutes more. Then you're going to remove it from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of butter until melted. Taste and season with salt and pepper if desired. While the onion cooks, pat the beef dry with paper towels and season generously all over with garlic powder, a teaspoon of thyme, salt, and pepper. Once the potatoes have roasted about 14 minutes, remove the sheet from the oven and carefully toss on the asparagus on the opposite side with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Return to the middle rack and roast until the veggies are slightly brown and tender, about 10 to 12 minutes more. Next, you're going to heat a drizzle of olive oil in the pan used for the onion over medium-high heat. Add in your beef and cook to the desired doneness, about 4 to 7 minutes per side. Transfer to a cutting board and let rest for a few minutes. If necessary, you can reheat the saucy onion in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds when serving. Divide the beef, asparagus, and potatoes between the plates and top the beef with your saucy onions. This makes for an extremely fine dish. Who doesn't love a nice beef tenderloin? The fresh thyme helps spotlight the caramelized onion's savory sweet potential. And another quick tip, before you start dinner, let your steak sit out at room temperature for up to an hour for even more cooking and extra juicy results. I hope you guys enjoyed this dish. Let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to help support the channel. See you guys again soon. Bye!